Tubby, the storm chaser here. This is some of the aftermath of the Whitby storm. There's trees all over the neighborhood that have been taken out. And
Tubby doesn't care.
Tubby doesn't care. And it's been over 24 hours that we haven't had power on. Damn Whitby Hydro. So I'm on the Ontario Shores grounds right now, and we're going to go up further. Apparently there's a few downed trees up there, but in our neighborhood there was tons of trees, and there was one car that got nailed, but real goddamn mess. Just getting the artsy shot. So the windstorm was very short-lived, but a lot of damage, and this is only a small view.
It's funny. She's being a complete ass. Wow. Well, we only had the inconvenience of no hydro for more than 24 hours, still no hydro. Can you imagine if going for a nice walk and this thing fell on top of you? Unfortunately, that has happened, and I condolences to those families who lost loved ones during the storm. Tubbs, come here. Up. Come on, up. Up, 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 up. Oh, me. Here, up.
And Trish and Tubby are walking out of the danger zone. Danger due to Mother Nature. They're not kidding when they say temporary fencing. Peace out from Canada.